Hello everyone, my name is Prajkta Bhise and I am glad to announce that I have done my digital marketing course from BizConnect of Kiran Patil sir and Saharsh Bansode sir. And now I am very much confident in what I'm learning. I'm excited for my next job. And Saharsh Bansode sir is a very nice trainer. He has boosted my confidence and he have taught me in a way, in a language that I will understand. And his teaching skills are amazing. He will ease you. He will take out all the doubts, or he'll clear all the doubts. He'll go very slow. If it's hard for you, if it's difficult for you, he will make sure that he goes very slow with simple language that you will understand. So even a person with like zero confidence, and if he starts a training with Bansode sir, I'm sure the student will come out with a great confidence and do very well in his job. And so yes, I am very much confident and I really enjoy learning. So this is for the first time in life that I enjoy my learning. So yes, I definitely recommend the course. If someone is looking for a course like this, then please do connect BizConnect, and this team is the best for you to boost up your confidence and give you the best option of the career. Thank you so much.